create a new file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select the ellipse tool. Select shape. Select no color for the stroke. Select or create a gradient for the fill. I use a gradient with 3 colors. Select reflected. Use an angle of 90 degrees. Press and hold Shift while creating the shape to make a perfectly round circle. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the circle. Right-click on the ellipse layer and select Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the ellipse layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Connect the width and height with the chain icon. Make the width 95%. The height should also be 95% now. Rotate the shape 5 degrees. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to create the spiral. Keep pressing Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T until the spiral is finished. And that's how you create this gradient spiral.